Let's learn how to simplify the fraction 19 twelfths and express it as a mixed number. 19 twelfths is written as 19 over 12. First, we try to simplify the fraction. We look for common factors in the numerator and the denominator. 19 is a prime number, meaning its only factors are 1 and itself. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The only common factor between 19 and 12 is 1. This tells us that the fraction is already in simplest form. Now, let's convert this improper fraction to a mixed number. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. To convert, we divide the numerator by the denominator. 19 divided by 12 is 1 with a remainder of 7. The quotient, 1, becomes the whole number part of the mixed number. The remainder, 7, becomes the numerator of the fractional part, and the denominator stays the same. So 19 twelfths as a mixed number is 1 and 7 twelfths.